Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in a previous video I've shown BBMPulser 5B, which is this unit, and I had a few questions about this component here that I use in right now 120 volt models, but I'd recommend that to be used in 240 volt models. This is actually inductor, it's not a resistor. I'm sorry about labeling it in the previous video incorrectly, this part. So how I make it is I have 18 gauge wire, which is exactly 1 millimeter. This is copper wire. So what I do, I just roll it in a circle like this, then I will flatten it and twist it. Then I'll take a heat shrink and I put it inside a heat shrink. Inside I have one hand, but you get an idea. Then I take this Flexit 90 resin. It's from Specialty Resin and Chemical Company. I just need a little bit in here, and once I put it in, I fill it and I heat shrink it, and the remaining of the glue will come out from the top. And also I'll put a couple heat shrink over these lids that are coming out, and that's how I get this inductor here. This is the component here, this inductor. It's for safety, to prevent these diodes from blowing on 240 volt circuit. Also guys, I'd like to show you, if you use 240 volt fan instead of 110 volt fan, and this is a 110 volt fan. This fan is actually smaller too. This is, I believe, 30 millimeter. This is 15 millimeter, and they come either 120 or 240. So I discovered that if you use 240 volt in 120 volt version of the unit, that's makes the unit really quiet, and it's actually sufficient enough to remove all the heat. So I'd recommend you guys to go ahead and use 240 volt and 15 millimeter fan. It works just fine. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna turn it on so you can hear how loud it is. Can you hear it? I don't think you can hear it. Before, in a previous video, if you play it, you'll hear how loud this unit was. So it made it really quiet. It's almost noiseless. Alright guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, also, some of you have been asking where do I get the case, and so the case is actually, here's the model. It's from Commercial Ozone Generator, and you can find them online. Just either go to Amazon.com or eBay, and you can find case like that for around $65–70 with shipping.